Yeah, you got it today, man. Sir. From the heart, from the heart.
Hey, y'all boys. We all put some on this shit today. Mean what you put down today. Mean what you put down today. Mean it. Work your ass off today for it. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in.
Simple. But some shit don't need to be.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Work.
Go to work. Let's go to work.
Right there. Yes. Yes.
Make it hit it quick, right? Because he's going to build his first move. Because they're on. As soon as you do this, pull back, they're going to reveal their move. What you did was you just tried to get your hands on the beat. Let me say so.
Let's go.
Set!
Let's go, JB. Let's go, JB. Good job, Brent.
Hey, man, good work today, man. Trenches on 3, trenches on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Trenches. Start with us.
This next period we're going through is that you sack the quarterback even in this. Okay?
Break it down, break it down. Let's keep rushing
Hey,
as a
say
unit,
some
y'all.
shit, Kyrie.
Let's keep rushing
I don't need no words at this point.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Work.
Tight shit.
All right, now what you got to do is take what we did today, all right, go into your meetings, make sure you correct the mistakes, and tomorrow we don't repeat the mistake, okay? Everything will be about execution, but execution is going to be about your attitude. Your attitude starts when you walk in that meeting in the morning. It starts when you walk out here to go through walkthroughs, and then when we flex, and then when we go to individual. So everything is important. Everything is about discipline. You can't be a disciplined person unless you do things right all the time. How you do anything is how you do everything. And the quicker we understand how important that is, the closer we'll be, the better team we'll be.
Hey, coach me, coach me. They're all springing it, right? Coach me, coach me. Listen, you guys have gotten a ton of wisdom throughout the course of the year. And this journey that we're on, there's a ton of wisdom that's given. But discipline has everything to do with your internal choices. It's everything to do with your internal choices, right? How important is it to you? Coach asked you guys to write something down, that you're going to put something on it, right? So internally, that's important to you. So you are choosing to choose discipline for yourself and for your team. For yourself and for your team. Now you've made that choice. What are your actions going to be then to follow through on that choice? Because just because you make a choice, just because you say you're going to do it, don't mean shit. Real talk. It don't mean shit. What are your actions going to be? And what are the levels of those actions going to be? Are they going to be in alignment to who you say you are choosing to be? Who we say we are choosing to be? Know who we are. Know what we're about. keep getting better in our process, and then the outcome will take care of itself as we move through this thing. You with me? Yes, sir. Get a break. Let's have a freaking day. Do the next thing the right way.
Hey, man, lock in, man. Make sure y'all doing what y'all supposed to do. On and off the field. Watch y'all film, man. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3. Family.
Hey, Shiloh, stop pulling in class.
We got a new little gimbal. He's kind of cool.
Coming in, preparing for UCLA, coming back from Stanford. How would you rate the defense's performance overall as a plus today?
Well, I mean, we did some things better. You know, biggest thing this week, I mean, Coach Kelly does a great job with his offense, and first thing you got to do is stop the run. So, you know, in order to do that, you got to get some extra guys in the box, and when we do that, we got to be able to cover them outside. So, you know, we at times we did better with that. I thought the linebackers played better behind the line of scrimmage, and the safeties did a good job, you know, with their run fit.
So in relation to the Stanford game, what improvements would you like to see from the defense?
Well, the thing we got to do is until we eliminate explosive plays, we're not going to be where we need to be as a defense. I mean, you know, we'll play probably one of our best halves of football, you know, maybe besides the Nebraska game. And then we come out in the second half, and basically it was explosive plays. You give up 97-yard plays, you're not going to play very good defense, and the stats and the points go up. So we've got to be able to eliminate those. They're going to make some plays, but we have got to be able to get people down in space.
Recently, we've been seeing you get first-team reps, you know, as the team practices go. So how does it feel to you knowing that the coaches see you as, you know, you're ready to get in there with Shador and get in there with those top guys for Colorado?
It feels good knowing I just go hard every day, just make sure I know my assignment and know everything I need to do. So I was just on scout team the other week, so it's just good knowing that, you know, hard work is actually paying off for me.
Yeah. So freshman receiver, you know, next year you'll probably be up there where, you know, Xavier and where 10 are right now. So have they been sort of mentoring you as they prepare to go to the league and as you try to step up and be the next guy for Colorado?
Yeah, they're definitely preparing me. I can learn a lot from those guys. Like, they help me a lot in the receiver room, like how to take notes, how to watch film, how to break stuff down. So it's just been great learning from them.
And last question here, going into UCLA, you know, we're starting practice up after the bye week. How would you rate the team's performance as far as wide receivers and really offense in general for today in preparation for that game?
Oh, I would give us an A grade. I feel like since the Stanford game, we've been on a new level. I feel like we got something to prove. So, yeah, I think y'all gonna see a big difference this week.
Appreciate it, bro.
We rolling.
All right, Coach. So early practice, preparing for UCLA. What positives as far as this practice did you see from the team today?
There was good energy. There was good execution. The guys are dialed into the plan, and they're attacking the work the right way.
I was just talking to Caleb earlier, and he's been getting first-team reps, really showing out. So what have you seen not only from Caleb, but really sort of the underclassmen receivers overall?
Yeah, I mean, Caleb in particular, right, he goes about his craft the right way. You know, Coach Brett calls him the craftsman. He understands technique. He understands leverage. You know, he's a guy that's been consistently good and a guy that you know that you can trust. And, again, the young guys have been pouring into the work, and they're doing a good job because this is the point in the season where they're experiencing the length and the breadth of their first college season. And I think they're doing a really good job pushing through that.
And so circling back to current times and going from Stanford to this, what kind of improvements are you looking to see from the offense in order to go to LA and show out?
Do the basic things consistently at a high level. If we're not bored with the basics and we can be consistently good with the basics, good things are going to happen.
That's it, Coach. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Stang ain't on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Break it down, please.
SOB on 3. 1, 2, 3. SOB.
You got it, Chip.